Okay, 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 okay.
You're gonna choke him. Oh, Steph! Wait, I'm trying to record. He wants to bring you to his place. Oh, I made it too close. I zoomed in. I should have zoomed out. We would have gotten the whole thing. He won't let go. Buddy, what are you doing? He wants you to sit.
All right, I'm sitting. Yay!
You have to sit with them.
Okay.
What did you do? Were you attacking? You're a good boy.
Okay, you win.
Aww.
That's not funny. You really pulled me across the floor.
I know. That's what's funny. Good boy.